and today I'm with
Hi.
and we're going to be making edible slime. Well, right now she's brushing her hair and I've already got my hair all done. And,
Because she brushed her hair before me.
yeah. But, while she's brushing her hair, she'll be talking to you. And, I'll be downstairs and I'll be right back.
My name is Haley. She didn't introduce my name, but I will. And yeah. And like she said, I think she already said, we're going to be making edible slime. And if you want, you can check my account out. It's not going to be on YouTube, it's going to be on Musical.ly. So if you have Musical.ly, my thing is Haley_Dawn_tutor. And I'll be posting this edible slime video. And yeah. And now Lacey is back, so when I get done brushing my hair, we're gonna go down there and do it. So yeah.
So,
We're gonna be making a part 2 when we get down there, and hope you check out that next video of us down there. And yeah, leave a like on this video and subscribe. Bye.